Hello everybody, it's Friday the 2nd of July and this is our handwriting and spelling lesson for today. And today we're looking at the suffixes, the endings of words, the suffixes that make the shun sound. So we can see there are 4 different shun sounds we're looking at today. T-I-O-N, S-I-O-N, double S-I-O-N and C-I-A-N. For these activities we're coming up, you're just going to need paper and pencil. So make sure you've got those, and when you're ready, we'll get started. The handwriting for today is for the letter U. So practicing your handwriting, can you have a go at making a line of those 4 different joins? Pause the video and have a go. Can you now have a go at adding the prefix, and a prefix comes before the word to change the meaning. Can you add the prefix un to the start of these words? Have a go at writing them out really neatly. Last challenge for your handwriting is, can you add ul or unk to the end of these words? Which would be the right ones, and what words have you created? Pause the video and have a go. So today for our spelling, we're looking at words ending with the shun sound. And we can see here that when we're looking at words with the shun sound, there can be different ways it's spelt. So like we said at the start, here we've got the word fiction, but the shun sound is T-I-O-N. We could have the word expansion, where something gets larger, S-I-O-N. Or it might be a double S-I-O-N, look, depending on the root word. And optician, C-I-A-N. And some clues to help us here. T-I-O-N, shun, is used when the root word ends in a T or a TE. So for example, if the root word is act, it ends in a T, so the shun would be action. Or if we are looking at the shun suffix C-I-A-N, it is used when the root word ends in C or CS. So if we had the word clinic, it would become clinician. And a big clue for C-I-A-N is if the word is a job, an occupation like physician, then we know that it would be C-I-A-N. So using those clues to help you today, let's see if we can solve some of these suffixes with shun. Here's your first activity. Can you underline the words below that are spelled incorrectly? Then write the correct spelling on the dotted lines, or you can write it on your piece of paper. So there are some words here. 4 of them are spelled incorrectly. Can you work out which you think are the 4 words spelled incorrectly and write down the correct spellings? Use the box up here to remind you of the different clues and things to look for to work it out. Pause the video and have a go. How did you do? Here were the 4 words that were spelt incorrectly with their correct spelling. It was mention, hesitation, attention, and beautician. Well done if you managed to find those as the incorrect spellings. Here is our next one, and it says, can you draw lines from the word beginnings to the correct word endings? So if we've got the word beginning music, and we want to add the shun sound to it, would we add T-I-O-N or would we add C-I-A-N? So you can write them out, or you can draw it out like this and draw your lines yourself. However you would choose to do it is up to you. But pause the video and have a go. What would be the correct shun ending for these word beginnings? Here are your answers. Musician was C-I-A-N, invitation was T-I-O-N, friction was T-I-O-N, mathematician and optician was cian, and completion was tion. Well done if you managed to get those. Next, we're looking at the sion rule. So there are a couple of rules to try and remember. For the sion shun ending is usually used when the root word ends in a D, a DE or SE. So for example, if the root word was televise, the ending would be television, sion. But when we're doing the double sion is used when the root word ends in an S or a MIT, mit. So for example, the root word is discuss. That has a double S in it already, so we would use a double SION. But we need to be very careful because there are some exceptions to the rule sometimes. So let's have a go at trying some of these shun endings. Here we've got some sentences, and can you work out, complete the words in these sentences using shun SION or double SION. So you need to read the sentence carefully and decide, and using the rule in the corner here to help you, can you work out whether you would use S or double SION? Pause the video and have a go. Here are your answers. So our car crashed into a tree. It was a terrible collision, double S. The teacher gave me permission, double S, to leave school earlier today. And you can see the rest there were all SION. Well done if you managed to answer those. Let's have a look at another one. So using the clues to work out each word ending in a shun sound. So if we look at the first one, so we're looking at all possibilities now, something you intend to do. So if you have something you intend to do, you have in, and what would be the rest of the word and what shun sound would go at the end. If you need to go back through the video and look at the clues and the tips to help you work it out. So pause the video and have a go, and your answers will come after. Here were your answers. Have a look and see. Did you choose the right word, and did you choose the right shun? Have a look and check your work. That was the last part of our spelling lesson for today. So what we'd like you to do now is see if you can try on the Oak Academy the Street Child lesson number 4. Have a go, work through it and see what you can do. Well done for today, and we'll speak to you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.